Del Taco, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business. The Guide to Franchises. Goals, mission, and vision of Del Taco. Del Taco is one of the biggest Mexican-American fast food chains in the United States. It was founded in 1964 by Ed Hackbarth and David Jamieson in Yermo, California. The brand mixes Mexican favorites like tacos and burritos with American classics like burgers and fries. Del Taco makes money by selling freshly prepared food and drinks, and by collecting fees from franchisees who run their own Del Taco restaurants. The company's mission is to serve fresh, tasty food at a great value. Their vision is to grow across the U.S. and offer customers a fast, affordable, and flavorful experience. Are you curious if a Del Taco franchise is right for you? In this video, we'll walk you through everything, from how the franchise works to how much you can earn and what support you'll get. Let's dive in! Sold over 900 tacos. That tiny taco stand grew into a nationwide brand. How does a Del Taco franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Del Taco uses a franchise system. That means you run your own restaurant using Del Taco's brand, recipes, and systems. You follow their rules to keep quality and service consistent. Fee structure. Franchisees pay a $35,000 franchise fee. Then they pay 5% of net sales as a royalty fee and 4% of net sales for marketing. That's 9% total, paid weekly. Support from Del Taco. Franchisees get help with training, operations, marketing, and even site selection. Del Taco also offers ongoing support and access to their systems.
Anecdote. Del Taco's franchise support team includes experts in real estate, construction, and marketing. One franchisee said they felt like they had a built-in business partner.
2. Entry costs for Del Taco. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. The total investment to open a Del Taco ranges from $1,497,200 to $3,331,000. This includes $35,000 franchise fee, equipment and furnishings, construction and building improvements, inventory and supplies, licenses and deposits, training and crew setup, 3 months of working capital. Potential earnings. The average unit volume, AUV, for a Del Taco restaurant is $16,138.99 per year. Net profit averages around $25,000 annually, depending on location and management.
Anecdote. Del Taco's founders sold tacos for just 19 cents and cheeseburgers for 24 cents, and still made enough to open multiple stores in their first year.
The step-by-step. How to register a Del Taco franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. First, you fill out an application and talk to Del Taco's franchise team. Then you review the franchise disclosure document, FDD, choose a location and sign the agreement. Documentation. You'll need proof of liquidity, $5,000, net worth, $1,000, and business experience. Del Taco helps guide you through the paperwork. Duration. The full process usually takes from 3 to 6 months, depending on location and how quickly you complete the steps.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Nevada went from signing the agreement to opening day in just 100 days, thanks to Del Taco's streamlined site selection and build-out support.
4. Taxes and fees in Del Taco. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Federal corporate tax is 21% of net profit. State income taxes vary, from 0% in states like Texas to 9.3% in California. Property taxes only apply if you own the building. Average is 1.1% of property value per year. State and local taxes include sales tax from 4% to 10%, use taxes and local business fees. Some cities charge extra for food service permits. Licensing fees. Del Taco charges 5% of net sales as a royalty fee. Training costs are separate and not included in this fee. Marketing fees. Franchisees pay 4% of net sales for national and local marketing campaigns.
Anecdote. In Oregon, there's no sales tax, which means Del Taco franchisees there save thousands each year compared to other states.
By hiring employees in Del Taco. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical Del Taco needs 10 to 15 employees, including cooks, cashiers, and shift managers. Training costs. Initial training costs range from $19,400 to $25,300, including crew training. These are part of your startup investment. Key training systems. Del Taco offers hands-on training, online modules, and ongoing education to keep staff up to date.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Arizona trained their entire team before opening and had 0 staff turnover in the first year, thanks to Del Taco's crew development system.
6. Del Taco, operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information, ingredients and resources. Around $33,000 to $4,000 per month, depending on volume. Salaries and benefits. Monthly payroll ranges from $25,000 to $35,000. Rent and utilities. Rent is $8,000 to $12,000 monthly. Utilities add $2,000 to $3,000. Insurance for premises. Around $1,000 to $2,000 monthly for property, liability, and workers' comp, maintenance and utility. Cleaning, repairs, and upkeep cost about $1,500 to $2,500 monthly. Licensing and marketing fees. Del Taco charges 9% of net monthly sales, like for $13,000 in monthly sales, that's even $1,700. Total of all taxes monthly. Taxes, income, sales, property, typically total $4,000 to $7,000 monthly depending on location. Other, 25%. Income tax, etc. Additional costs like accounting, legal, and unexpected fees can add $8,000 to $12,000 monthly.
Anecdote. One Del Taco in Texas cut monthly costs by switching to LED lighting and smart thermostats, saving over $5,000 a year on energy bills.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Training and support. How does Del Taco help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Franchisees receive 5 weeks of in-restaurant management training and 3 weeks of crew training before opening. There's also 1 week of on-site support during launch, operational support. Del Taco assigns a franchise business consultant, FBC, to each location. They help with operations, audits, and performance reviews. E-learning platform. Franchisees and staff get access to the Del Taco Learning Management System, which includes ongoing training modules and updates. The marketing. Del Taco provides national campaigns, local store marketing calendars, and digital tools like mobile ads, social media kits, and loyalty app integration.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Georgia used Del Taco's PR toolkit to launch a viral Taco Tuesday campaign. It doubled foot traffic in just 2 weeks.
8. Franchise inspections in Del Taco. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Health departments conduct regular food safety checks. Del Taco also uses third-party audits to ensure brand standards. Internal inspections. Franchise business consultants perform at least 2 operational audits per year, reviewing cleanliness, food quality, and service. Frequency. Expect quarterly reviews and surprise visits. Franchisees must maintain daily logs and readiness for inspections.
Anecdote. A Del Taco in Nevada earned a perfect score during a surprise audit, thanks to a manager who created a daily prep checklist, laminated and posted in every station.
On profitability of Del Taco. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. The average unit volume, AUV, is $16.19. With a 15% profit margin, that's about $24,200 in annual profit. ROI. Return on investment ranges from 7% to 12%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 18 to 30 months. Success factors. Profitability depends on location, labor efficiency, upselling, and controlling food and utility costs.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Michigan boosted ROI by adding a second drive-through lane, cutting wait times and increasing daily orders by 25%.
10. Del Taco in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Del Taco is the second largest Mexican quick-service restaurant QSR in the U.S., with over 600 locations in 21 states. Growth and expansion. The brand is expanding into new markets like Florida, Georgia, and Michigan. Over 100 new stores are planned by 2027. Challenges. Competition from Taco Bell, Qdoba, and Chipotle is strong. Del Taco responds with menu innovation and value pricing. Forecast. Del Taco's Fresh Flex store design and digital ordering systems are expected to drive growth and improve margins over the next 5 years.
Anecdote. Del Taco's 20 Under 2 menu helped the brand win USA Today's 2024 award for Best Fast Food Value, beating out major competitors.
11. Pros and cons of a Del Taco franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. A. Strong brand recognition and loyal customer base. B. Diverse menu with Mexican and American favorites. C. Comprehensive training and operational support. Cons. A. High initial investment, from $112,000 to $385,000. B. Ongoing fees, 9% of net sales weekly. C. Limited flexibility due to strict corporate guidelines.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Colorado turned a struggling location around by adding a local twist, offering green chili sauce as a regional favorite. With corporate approval.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Study demographics, traffic, and competition in your area. Financial assessment. Calculate ROI, break-even point, and monthly cash flow. Consultations with experts. Talk to franchise consultants, lawyers, and accountants. Support evaluation. Compare training, marketing, and operational help across brands. Franchise agreement analysis. Review the franchise disclosure document, FDD, carefully. Look for renewal terms, territory rights, and fee structures.
Anecdote. One investor avoided a bad deal by spotting a clause in the FDD that allowed another Del Taco to open nearby. Always read the fine print.
For conclusion, who is the Del Taco franchise for, and is it worth investing? Del Taco is a great fit for entrepreneurs who want a proven brand with strong support and a diverse menu. It's ideal for hands-on operators who value structure and want to grow in the fast food industry. With average annual revenue of over $1,600,000 and a solid ROI, Del Taco offers real earning potential. But it's not for everyone. The high startup costs and strict brand rules mean you need to be ready for a serious commitment. If you're financially prepared, have restaurant experience, and want to build a business with national marketing and local flexibility, Del Taco could be the perfect franchise for you. And remember, success comes from smart planning, great location, and strong team leadership. With Del Taco's support, you won't be doing it alone. Anecdote. A retired couple in Florida opened their first Del Taco at age 60. With help from their kids and Del Taco's training, they now run 3 locations, proving it's never too late to start fresh. Bibliography, Franchise Times, Franchise Business Review, Franchise World, Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, the Guide to Franchises. It's Church's Chicken. Is Church's Chicken a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.